Hello everyone, students. Welcome to the study of weed identification and control course. Today, we will explain a widely applied and highly efficient method in weed control, chemical weed control. First, let's understand what chemical weed control is. Simply put, chemical weed control is using chemical agents to control weed growth and harm. This method has advantages of high efficiency, speed, and labor saving, and has been widely applied in modern agricultural production. There are many types of herbicides. To better understand and use them, we need to classify them. Common classification methods include the following. Classification by mode of action. Herbicides can be divided into contact herbicides and systemic herbicides. Contact herbicides can only kill weed parts that directly contact the agent, having little effect on parts not contacted by the agent. For example, glufosinate can rapidly cause contacted weed leaves to wither and die, but has limited effect on weed roots. Therefore, when using contact herbicides, ensure the agent uniformly covers the weed surface. Systemic herbicides can be absorbed by weed roots, stems, leaves, and other parts, and translocate within the weed, ultimately causing the entire weed to die, like glyphosate, which is a typical systemic herbicide. After being absorbed by weeds, it moves with the weed's nutrients to various parts, thus achieving thorough eradication. Classification by selectivity. Herbicides can be divided into selective herbicides and non-selective herbicides. Selective herbicides can selectively kill certain weeds while being safe for crops. For example, in wheat fields, using 2,4-D-butyl ester can effectively control broadleaf weeds while having minimal impact on wheat and other grass crops. This is because different plants have different sensitivities to herbicides. Selective herbicides utilize this difference to work. Non-selective herbicides have killing effects on all plants, regardless of weeds or crops. In non-cultivated land, orchard interrows, and other places where plants need not be retained, non-selective herbicides can be used. For example, using glufosinate on wasteland can rapidly kill various weeds. After understanding herbicide classification, next we need to master correct usage methods. 1. Spray method. Spray method is the most commonly used herbicide application method. When using a sprayer to uniformly spray herbicide solution on weed surfaces, pay attention to the following points. 1. Choose appropriate sprayer. According to working area and requirements, select different types of sprayers. Knapsack sprayers are suitable for small area operations, while tractor-mounted sprayers are suitable for large area farmland. 2. Control spray pressure and nozzle height. Spray pressure should be moderate. Nozzle height should be kept consistent to ensure uniform agent coverage on weeds. Generally speaking, nozzle distance from weed surface is 30 to 50 cm. 3. Pay attention to weather conditions. Avoid spraying under strong wind, high temperature, heavy rain, and other adverse weather conditions. Strong wind will cause agent drift, affecting control effectiveness and possibly causing phytotoxicity to surrounding crops. High temperature will cause agent to volatilize too quickly, reducing efficacy. Heavy rain will wash away the agent, losing effectiveness. 2. Toxic soil method. Toxic soil method is mixing herbicide with fine soil uniformly, then broadcasting in fields. This method is suitable for some paddy fields and soil treatment agents. When using toxic soil method, pay attention to the following points. 1. Soil moisture. Soil should maintain certain moisture to facilitate agent diffusion in soil and absorption by weeds. 2. Uniform broadcasting. Broadcast toxic soil uniformly in fields, avoiding agent concentration in certain places causing phytotoxicity. 3. Wiping method. Wiping method is using brushes or sponges and other tools to apply herbicide solution on weeds. This method is suitable for controlling tall weeds or spot occurring weeds, can avoid causing phytotoxicity to surrounding crops. Herbicide phytotoxicity and its prevention. Although herbicides can effectively control weeds, If used improperly, they can also cause phytotoxicity to crops. Phytotoxicity symptoms are diverse. Common ones include leaf yellowing, spotting, curling, wilting, stunted growth, even whole plant death, etc. Different herbicides may cause different phytotoxicity symptoms. Phytotoxicity prevention measures: correctly select herbicides according to crop type, weed species, and growth stage, and other factors. Select appropriate herbicides. Avoid using herbicides to which crops are sensitive. Strictly follow usage instructions for application. Control application rate, application timing, and application method. Don't arbitrarily increase or decrease application rate. Conduct phytotoxicity tests. Before large-scale use of new herbicides, first conduct phytotoxicity tests in small areas. Observe crop reactions. Ensure safety before promoting use. Today, we learned knowledge related to chemical weed control, including herbicide classification, usage methods, phytotoxicity, and its prevention, etc. Hope through this lesson study, everyone can correctly use herbicides, effectively control weeds, while avoiding phytotoxicity occurrence. In actual production, we must continuously accumulate experience, flexibly apply learned knowledge according to specific situations. Okay, today's lesson ends here. Thank you, everyone.